Makrooh, there are some fasts which is undesirable to keep. Number one is fast only on the day of Ashura. So obviously it comes in a hadith we should fast for. We will fast for 2 days. The Prophet ﷺ said that next year if we are alive, we will fast for 2 days opposing the Jews. So on the 9th, 10th or 10th, 11th. Inshallah very quickly we'll finish off. Second, so to fast only on the 10th is makruh, is undesirable. Either you do 9, 10 or 10 and 11. Secondly is to fast only on Sundays. To fast only on Saturdays, sorry. Yawm as-Sabt, because the Jews used to do this. They used to regard Saturday as their holy day. So someone is fasting every Saturday, indirectly you are actually emulating the Jews. To fast only on a Friday. So also this is discouraged because the Prophet used to fast Monday and Thursday. Now this person is only fasting Friday, which means you're giving Friday an additional virtue which is not there in Sharia. So it is makruh. It is not haram, it is undesirable to do so. To fast on the day of doubt, which is the 30th of Sha'ban, one day before Ramadan. To fast on one day before Ramadan specifically, and every year you're doing the same thing, is actually undesirable and makruh. Now why is this? Because sometimes what happens is this person is fasting and then there could be news that look, you started your fast early morning but it's already Ramadan. So you made intention of one fast but the farad fast had already started. To consecutively fast without breaking the fast. So a person every day he is fasting. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Number one, that's one aspect. So you're not giving yourself a gap in between. This is undesirable. The Prophet ﷺ also discouraged the Sahaba to do so. The best fast is Sawm Dawood, fast 1 day, eat 1 day, fast 1 day, eat 1 day, which is very difficult to do. But that is one of the best fasts in terms of your spiritual upbringing.